I'm at the stage of a research paper right now where I just gotta read a lot of stuff, and it's horrible. I've always hated this stage where you just have to read a ton of stuff and make sense of it. And I'm super slow with it. This is the hardest part for me. This is actually, if you sort of follow along with what I'm doing, this is kind of one of the things that I really struggle with, is the reading part of research papers. But I think about the sort of expedient way that people want you to do it, to sort of run through things as quickly as you possibly can. And frankly, I don't know what it is with research papers. I don't understand it, but I can't do that. I think that I'm going to be missing something. And whenever I do that, this is the thing that I think many people don't sort of tell you, is that when you do that, you really miss the point of the research paper. And, here's the sort of trade-off though. And I know that I can't deal with this in my head. I want to express my feelings. I want to talk about what I feel. So I feel barfy. I feel not, I don't feel good inside. Like there's not a lot of, I feel energized. It's usually a really draggy, difficult day for me. Not only that I have to sort of reread stuff, but, it's just hard for me. I'm mentally exhausted. But given all of that kind of stuff, the trade-off is to sort of do things expediently. But I can't comprehend things expediently. I don't understand what people are actually saying when I try to read too quickly. And I also don't trust a lot of doing that quickly. I just can't comprehend that, right? So when I've tried, there's a couple of tools that are available right now that use AI. Obviously I'm trying to sort of build some of these things into the reciprocity project, but the available tools that exist at this moment, they don't cut it. It does not feel like I'm actually comprehending that stuff. So I don't know what that is. I don't know what is the trade-off here. And here's the sort of interesting part, right? I don't know what that sort of qualitative jump in knowledge acquisition actually is. And the problem is that I have knowledge depreciation. It's sort of, I forget about this stuff very quickly. And so, here's the other thing that I find interesting, and I'm honestly just documenting at this moment, this sort of process. What I find interesting is that there's a lot of things that I can spend a great deal of time on and feel very, very happy and very excited to do, right? Like if I was to play a game for the whole day, I would feel mentally exhausted, I think, like a video game, but I would probably feel happy. If I spend a day exercising or building something outside or something along those lines, I feel happy. There are things that are interesting, and what catches me, I don't know what that is. I think it's the variety. I think it's like switching things up. I think it is, moving around, but you can't do that. You can't do, a lot of flipping back and forth. You need that sort of dedicated time of sitting there. So, if anybody can help me, provide suggestions in terms of what it is that can make you feel more positive. I've tried everything, and it's just really like a difficult part of doing this reading and processing things. And I just don't know, right? Like, I think that is a key difficult hiccup moment with research, that I'm not the only one. I'm almost confident that I'm not the only one. 100% confident that I'm not the only one with that this is a key moment. But I don't know how many people are actually talking about it and sort of figuring out solutions to this. Let me know. All right. Sorry. This is me, and I just want to document this experience. All right. Take care.